channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. So if you're sick of the usual same old chicken dinner, well, we're here to save you. Today is a special dish, a Middle Eastern dish by the name of Jaj Mahshi, which literally means stuffed chicken. So basically it's a beautiful whole chicken that's been stuffed with spiced rice and also cooked with some veggies with all the trimmings and even some broth on the side as well. Delicious dish, especially for a cold and gloomy rainy day like today. So let's get into it. First of all, she's roasting some pine nuts in ghee. So we've previously uploaded a similar recipe before, but it was of low quality and it wasn't very detailed. This is the more professional, more detailed version of that recipe, to make sure you get it spot on. You must try that dish. It's absolutely delicious, exotic, flavorful. The whole family would thank you for it. Okay, so now you drop in some minced lamb. So this is basically the stuffing. She's preparing the stuffing for the stuffing and the rice. So this pot right here is for the stuffing and for flavoring the rice as well. So you cook down the lamb, brown it off. So once the lamb has browned off nicely, you add some salt and pepper. Once the meat has browned off nicely, you take a little bit of the lamb mixture and you put it on top of rice that's been soaking in water for at least half an hour. And you add
just a little bit of rice, not much, just to stuff this.
Yeah, and just a little bit of rice. This is for the stuffing. Soak it for half an hour at least. Mix it with a bit of the lamb mixture and season it.
Add more salt and pepper.
Yeah, season it again to taste. And now for the chicken's turn. So this is a whole chicken that's been pre-washed and cleaned thoroughly. So you rub some seasoning onto it, just salt and pepper. We're keeping it simple. Give it a nice massage. Make sure you get every inch of the chicken. And now you begin the stuffing process. So you just spoon the rice and lamb mixture straight into the chicken. Pretty straightforward. You can see the mixture of lamb, rice and pine nuts with seasoning. It's going to go really good together. So after you finish stuffing the chicken, you start sealing it off by using just simple toothpicks.
That's the easiest way.
That's the easiest way, most effective way to pretty much stitch up the chicken. So just stitch it all together. And this is the stitch job. So a world-class stitch job right there. And that's it, the chicken stuffed and stitched. So you heat up some ghee in a pot and you place the whole chicken in there just to brown it off first. Looks like she's enjoying herself there. Oh, looks good enough to eat. And make sure you brown the chicken on all sides for a nice crispy skin. Once you've browned up the chicken on all sides, you add the water.
Hot water. Hot water.
Hot water, that is. Make sure it's hot water. So at this point, you bring up the liquid to the boil. Then you skim off all the gunk from the surface. Then we'll start adding the aromatics. Now it's time to drop the aromatics. So you drop some bay leaves, star anise, cloves, cardamom pods, onion, cinnamon stick,
And dried lemon.
and some dried lemon.
Cover it and let it cook.
Cover it and continue cooking.
It's a small chicken, so it takes about 40 minutes.
This is a small chicken, so it'll take approximately about 40 minutes on medium heat.
And after 10 minutes, we'll drop the dishes that we need to cook with it.
And after 10 minutes, we're gonna drop the veggies that we're gonna cook with it. We're cooking some carrots and some potatoes, which we peeled. Okay, so 10 minutes in after the chicken has been cooking in the broth, you drop in the vegetables. We're dropping in peeled carrots and peeled potatoes. Season it and then continue cooking for the rest of the time. So in total it's about 40 minutes. Make sure you cover it. Okay, so now it's time to cook the rice. So you add the soaked rice to the lamb mixture, the pre-cooked lamb mixture. And mix it in well. At this point, you adjust the seasoning, the salt and pepper. And just mix it in well again. Okay, so from the chicken broth, you start ladling in the broth into the rice pot. So basically the rice will be cooking in the chicken broth for extra flavor. And then at this point, you just cover the rice. Once it comes up to the boil, you reduce the heat and you just cook the rice, possibly about 20 minutes or so to cook. Okay, after the chicken is cooked in the broth, you just drop it into the oven just for a few minutes, just to crisp it up and nice and golden. Now it's time to plate. There it is, guys, the final product. The beautiful, delicious, hearty Jaj Mahshi stuffed chicken. Chicken stuffed with spiced rice. And it's an absolute winner. You must try this at home. Your family will absolutely adore it. So you can have it with some sauce of your liking. You can have it with chimichurri sauce, some chili sauce, We're just having it with its own broth now on the side as a soup. But yeah, even just some plain Greek yogurt on the side, just to sort of freshen things up, and it goes absolutely heavenly with it. If you like what you're seeing, guys, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.